It's Monday, June 5th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And so begins a rather nervous week for borrowers who've already had their fill of interest rate increases. A widespread view among analysts that higher than hoped for inflation and stronger than forecast economic growth could be enough for the Bank of Canada to raise its key lending rate another quarter of a point on Wednesday. The BFC's current overnight rate at 4.5%, where it's been since March. We have developing news surrounding Vancouver-based mining giant Teck Resources. While the company hasn't confirmed anything at this point, a potential buyer is claiming the Teck is seriously considering a partial sale of its coal division. Veteran miner and founder of Franco-Nevada, Pierre Lassonde, says he can't blame the company for wanting to keep its foot in the door, as last year Teck's coal division had a cash flow of $7 billion. Spread the news and tell your friends about the fastest 2 minutes in business, Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that matters to you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Well, so much for getting a break at the gas pumps this summer. News that OPEC countries are now pondering another production cut to counter lower oil prices. New optimism that it might be a good summer on the car lot. The Rogier Automotive Consultants noting that May sales were 13.5% better than a year ago, but still about 21% lower than pre-pandemic deliveries. Canada's largest port authority is looking for a new boss. Longtime Vancouver Fraser Port Authority CEO Robin Sylvester deciding to leave after 14 years. There's also a big opening at one of BC's largest ski resorts, Sun Peaks Municipality near Kamloops, searching for a new chief administrator with Sean Bourque moving on. And checking the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, besides the next Bank of Canada interest rate review midweek, StatsCan will be along with April's international trade data on Wednesday. Canada's largest milk retailer, Dairyland parent Saputo, will report fourth quarter results on Thursday, and Stats Canada will be closing out the week on Friday with May job numbers. They counted 41,000 new hires back in April, leaving the unemployment rate at 5% even. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.